Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean and organized with me. I have a lot of things I want to do in this video, especially organizing some of my two front closets in the front of my house. Just some things that I've been putting off doing, and now I have no excuse to put them off anymore because we are on the stay-at-home quarantine kind of thing. So I'm gonna make the most of my time and try to be as productive as possible. So we're gonna go ahead and get to cleaning my house and organizing as well. So I hope you guys will subscribe. It's the red button down below. It's absolutely free, and I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. All that being said, let's go ahead and hop right into the cleaning. So I have been home straight for almost 2 weeks now. I've left to go to the grocery store like twice, and that's it. So the house hasn't been terrible, but I've been able to catch up on laundry, which is a good thing. So now I need to actually fold it, and then just cleaning up. And then we've been getting a lot of mud, so my backyard is a wreck. And as you can see, this back door is covered in mud from the dogs. But yeah, so just a few things we need to get to cleaning and just tidy up. And then I will show you guys the two front closets we're gonna be working on. Okay, so I have these two closets that need to be completely organized, and I need to get rid of a lot of stuff in here. This one I want to make into a cleaning closet. Right now, this is embarrassing, but this is exactly what it looks like. Literally just crap thrown in there, like stuff I don't need anymore or old home decor I don't want to use. So we're gonna go through all of this closet because it would be so nice if I could put like my steam mop and like other things in here and have this be like a cleaning supply closet. And then this is like my DIY crafting closet. It's somewhat organized, but still very disorganized. And I want to clean this out and get rid of stuff that I haven't been using and just make it look a little bit more presentable. So we got a lot of work to do, but I bought some stuff at IKEA before this whole quarantine stuff started, and I'm glad I have it now because I can use it to organize these closets. Okay, so we are kicking off this very productive video in the living room. As always, I like to start with the main areas of the house because that just gives me like a central thing to work on and put all my energy into until that room is completely clean, and then I will move on to other areas of the house. So there's so much I do in this video, and like half of it I couldn't even film because this video would have been like 1,000,000 hours long. So I just want like you guys to get up and get going and don't procrastinate, especially if you have time off. Make the most of it and keep yourself busy and your mind's busy, because I know for me that helps a lot, not being as anxious and just worrying about things that are completely out of my control. So I'm gonna go ahead and make our bed. I actually just washed all of our bedding the other night, and then when I woke up, I saw that Hickory had been on the bed with like some mud on his paws, so I need to rewash the duvet cover, but I wanted to go ahead and still make it, but it's not that bad. And that good thing about that white duvet cover is I just put a little bit of bleach in with it, and everything comes out, and it always looks nice and crisp and white. So since I have all this time to get stuff done around the house, I'm finally getting things done that I've just been procrastinating, like cleaning out closets and organizing bathrooms, just pretty much anything that I'm going to show you guys later in this video, as well as just picking up stuff that's been around on the floors or just accumulated. Stuff just accumulates very easily, and I actually ended up catching up on every single piece of laundry. Like, I know I'm gonna have more in a day or two, but it was just so nice to be done with laundry for now. Like, my laundry hamper is completely empty, so that was a really great feeling. So since I did do all that laundry, that means I had a lot to fold, so you will see me folding a ton of laundry in this video, as well as cleaning out all my drawers in my bedroom. So there's gonna be a lot of folding, but I sped this video up a lot, so you wouldn't be just watching me fold clothes for like an hour. so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take everything out of my drawers. So I have the big 2 ones and then the little 2 ones on top, actually just one of them on top. So I have 3 total out of this chest of drawers, and I'm gonna take everything out, get rid of things that I no longer wear or need, and then fold everything that I am gonna be keeping nicely and then put them all back. So this was quite a process. It took me about a couple hours in total. Of course, I get distracted with the dogs and stuff, but this made me feel so much better, and it was just a chore I've been putting off for way too long, and I have no excuse now to not get it done. So after I cleaned out my drawers, I needed to hang up some clothes that I've just been procrastinating hanging up. I don't know why. It literally does not take that long at all, but I always just procrastinate hanging up clothes. So I got all this done, but I do need to clean up my closet, so maybe that will be included in another video. So moving into the front 2 closets, I'm gonna just start by taking everything out. I'm going through it, and if I haven't used it in the past year, I'm getting rid of it. So I ended up with a huge bag of stuff to donate at the end of this video. I don't think I showed it, but I got rid of so much stuff, and it makes me feel so much better. It was mainly just like junk that was just thrown in there, and now I have so much more space to utilize in this closet. So I'm not gonna show you guys the whole process because again, it would be forever, but I show you the majority of it and I feel so much better. So I hope you guys like the transformation. I wanted to make this closet my like DIY house supply crafting closet, so that's what I did. I took everything out of this one and just restarted from scratch as well, and I got rid of a lot of stuff, but also just organized all my DIY and like home project supplies in a nicer way.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
the finished product. It looks so much better. They still have a lot of stuff in it, but they are storage closets, so that's what they're for. But now everything is completely organized, and I did use some things from Ikea, like these clear bins, to organize some of my spice jars that I don't use right now, and just have all my DIY and paint stuff ready to go for when I need it.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want.
So it is now the next day when I'm filming this, and I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this mess of a kitchen because we made chicken and gnocchi soup for dinner last night, and then for dessert I made air fryer cinnamon sugar donuts. So those were delicious, and I just had a lot more to clean up, so we're gonna go ahead and do all these dishes.
Wastelands through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on
So unfortunately, my soup boiled over last night and it made a huge mess on the stove. So I let some Easy Off sit on my stove for a while, or my stovetop, and then I have to use this razor that's meant for glass stovetops to get all that like debris off, and it was really gross, but we ended up getting it completely cleaned and it looks so much nicer now. I picked up some new curtains. They're the Matilda curtains from IKEA. I love these curtains. They were on sale for $15.99 for 2 panels. So my old ones got ripped and just like really dirty because of the dogs, obviously. That's like my answer for everything. And so I got a new set when I went a couple weeks ago, and I'm finally putting them up today, and it just made the room look much nicer. This guest room is still a work in progress because we had to switch the beds, and I ended up selling those twin beds that were in there. So now we have our old bed with the upholstered headboard, so I need to get a mattress for that bed. My favorite thing I think I did in this video was a little mini easy bathroom makeover. So I wanted to use these jars I got from IKEA as well as the bamboo lids. Those are my absolute favorite, and they're so much more affordable than buying them at Target or something. So I'm going to be redoing my bathroom area. I wanted to take that big basket off with all my hair products in it and organize it a little bit nicer so that like when you walk into the bathroom, it doesn't look cluttered. I don't want the countertops to be cluttered. So I'm going to put some things underneath my little vanity area, and then I'm going to use that basket in the bathroom to hold toilet paper. So I'm using one of these jars to put cotton balls, and then I'm going to be adding Q-tips to another little jar, and I just think it looks so much nicer, especially with the cute little bamboo top, and it makes the vanity feel less cluttered.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness.
So while I was cleaning out those front closets in the house, I found a bunch of my waterproof little shelf liner paper. So I'm going to finally line my bathroom shelves with like this stuff. It's more heavy duty than the other stuff, and it actually doesn't have any holes in it. So if something does spill out, it doesn't go into the bottom of the drawer. So it makes cleanup way easier.
No, 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 no. I'll keep you safe, I'll give you my everything. Even if we're falling down, even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me.
So that is it, guys. I hope you got some motivation out of this video and some inspiration just to go ahead and get things done around the house that you've been needing to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and being here, and I hope you guys will subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'd love to hear from you in the comment section down below. So I hope you guys have a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video.